Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm kinda bored, so I thought let's visit this guy again. And yes, it is literally thrown in a bunch of crap, so let me take it out first. Okay, thank you Van. I got it out. It's not super dusty or anything, but I actually haven't touched this thing in months. And I kind of just want to see if it is gonna start. I don't even know if it has like fuel in it right now. Yes, it does. You probably can't see. So I don't know when I actually put this thing up, but it has space between it, so I don't even know if it works properly. I think it does, but I just haven't touched it in so long. And the rocket key is a bit like too big, I remember. But yeah, let me try to start this thing. Okay, it works. Blue clouds. Let me fire it up one more time. Holy shit, it just backfired. It definitely works. Let me put it back now. But yeah, Pocketbike update. It actually backfired. I hope you can see it on camera. I heard it, that's for sure. I'm sorry, but for now, that's gonna be this video. If you have any good ideas with the Pocketbike, please tell me down below, and I'll make an update video on it or whatever you want, and we can see what the top speed is now, because I actually upgraded it but haven't made a video on it. If for some reason you still enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a nice day. Peace out guys. Peace.
Drive hard. Drive Mustang.